Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone. Hope you're fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. My dear students and friends, this is the second in a series of videos I have started about mispronounced words in English. Part 1 you have seen. Before uploading this video, I asked in the community tab to suggest some words regarding mispronounced words in English, and you gave very well response, and I have included all those words in this video. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. Here is the second part of the video, mispronounced words in English. And here is the first word of this video. This is a tough word and you will have to pronounce it several times to pronounce this word properly. So is this entrepreneur? No. The correct pronunciation of this word is entrepreneur, 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 entrepreneur. Repeat it several times so you would be able to pronounce this word easily. Although it's a difficult word, but practice makes a man perfect. Entrepreneur, entrepreneur, entrepreneur. A person who sets up a business or businesses taking on financial risks in the hope of profit is called entrepreneur, entrepreneur, entrepreneur. How do you pronounce this word? Photographer? No. Photographer, 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 photographer. A person who takes photographs, especially as a job, is called photographer, photographer. This is the very common word and almost a number of peoples mispronounce that word. Petrol. This is not petrol. This is petrol, petrol, petrol. A light fuel oil that is obtained by distilling petroleum and used in internal combustion engines. At number 4, is this restaurant? No. We will pronounce this word restaurant, restaurant, restaurant. A place where people pay to sit and eat meals that are cooked and served on the premises. And at number 5, which is this word? Actually, this word has two pronunciations. In British pronunciation, we will pronounce this word schedule, schedule, schedule. And in American pronunciation, we will pronounce this word schedule, schedule, schedule. A plan for carrying out a process or procedure, giving lists of intended events and times. Number 6. How do you pronounce this word? Moustache? No. The correct pronunciation of this word is mustache. 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 A strip of hair left to grow above the upper lip. At number 9, how do you pronounce this word? Debris? No. The correct pronunciation of this word is debris. Debris. Scattered pieces of rubbish are remains. And the last word of this video is this executive? No, this is executive. 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 A person with senior managerial responsibility in a business is called executive. Thanks for watching. And if you like the video, kindly like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I have added the link of part 1 of this video in the description below. You may watch that video as well.